Alright, so hey there Cajon drummers and welcome to another video. Today is Thursday. Lovely bit of snow falling outside, we love it. It's gonna be something like a 3-beat Thursday today. We've done a lot of those in the past. This is a little bit different. Today I've got 8 funky syncopated grooves for you to learn, and these are taken from a recent course called Easy Syncopation. But first of all, let's just check out the grooves. Here we go.
And 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, One, two, three, four. All right. 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.
So that was 8 out of the 12 example grooves that you can learn in the Easy Syncopation course. And with each of them, the accents are strategically placed in those different parts throughout the bar to gradually increase your comfort and precision with playing those accents in those different places. So it's a gradual increase in difficulty while also strategically making sure that not just the right hand, but also the left hand is comfortable in all those different accents. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about that kind of stuff, I'll leave a link down in the description. But basically, I just want to show you more grooves. So hopefully I'll be back with another video very soon, doing something musical with percussion. That's what we all love. I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching.